Faith does matter in today's world because it gives us hope. When we face failures, when everything seems lost, broken relationships, faith gives us hope, teaching us that darkness is never the end. God can bring light even out of sorrows. Faith does matter in today's world because it teaches us to love. When the world today feels so cold, with hatred, violence, wars that seems to rule the world, yet faith teaches us to love, moves us to forgive one another, makes us builders of peace, helps us to recognize each human person as sister and brother in God's family. So yes, faith does matter in today's world. Our gadgets may be able to connect us with people far away, but only faith can connect us to God. So when St. Paul says, the righteous shall live by faith, he's inviting us today to put God first, to live each day in his presence, trusting in his presence, trusting in his promises, trusting in his guidance. So if faith does matter, how should we live that faith? And today's gospel gives us that answer. Jesus asks us to focus on what is within us, cleansing what is in our heart, reminding us that what matters to God is not how we look, how we appear, or what ritual and practices we do, but the condition of our heart. That matters to God. God desires a sincere and loving heart. If our heart is right with God, then our actions will automatically reflect his goodness. But if our heart is far away from God, then all our religious practices lose its meaning.